Hey signers, we have a brand new live course coming up. Have you ever wanted to take a song in English and sign it in ASL? On October 4th, we're hosting our next Music Mini Intensive, a 3-hour live course where you'll learn how to translate English lyrics into proper ASL and to perform it confidently. We've done this before, but this time we've got 4 all new songs with a mix of genres. Don't worry, not that one, but songs you'll hear on the radio today, and some throwbacks that you'll recognize right away. Ready to sign your heart out? For all the details and to get enrolled, click the link in the description. Now to the video. Hey signers, in this lesson, we're learning signs all about you, from your name and where you live to things like your family, background, and more. These are signs you'll use anytime to introduce yourself or share your story in ASL. Now let's learn how to sign about you. Family. Family. It's F hands making them in a group of people. And I have also seen this without the initialization for family. Family. Small. Small. And when you do this sign, you can do the mouth morpheme for small. Small. A medium or average height. You're showing the height of the person with your face, just like this. Medium or average height. Large. Large. You have these bent L-shaped hands and bringing them out. And when you sign something large, you can also say ch, meaning it's really big. Large. Mom, mother, or mommy. It's a 5 hand here at your chin. And you also might see it wiggle as well. Mom, mother, or mommy. Dad, father, or daddy. You have a 5-shaped hand touching your forehead, and you might see it wiggle too. Dad, father, daddy. Husband, husband. You have the C-shaped hand coming down to married, or boy, married. Husband, husband. Wife, wife. It's the woman that you're married to, or the sign girl, married. Wife, wife. There are many different variations for the sign brother, but the more popular ones are brother, brother, brother. There are many different variations for the sign sister, but here are the more popular ones. Sister, sister. Son, son. It's a flat B hand from the top of your forehead coming down to a baby. Son. Daughter, daughter. It's a flat B hand coming from your chin down to a baby. Daughter. Children, children. You're patting their little heads. Children. Born, born. Your non-dominant hand is a flat arm, and your dominant hand is going right underneath. This is also like the sign enter, because a baby is entering the world when it's born. Born. Grow up. Grow up. You're showing somebody small and then them growing up taller. Grow up. From. From. Think of your non-dominant hand as a pin on a map. From that place. From. Move. Move. You have these flat O hands pointing down, and you're moving them in different directions of where to move something. Move. House. House. You're making the roof and the walls. House. Home. Home. It's a flat O on the side of your face. Think of the place that you eat, sleep. Home. Age. H. It's a double movement from the chin, like for old. H. Old. Old. You have a C-shaped hand coming down to an S from your chin. Think of a beard. If you want to show somebody's really old, with some expression. Old. Young or youth. Your fingers are brushing up on your chest. Young or youth. Birthday. Birthday. It's this middle finger touching your chin down to your chest. Birthday. Hearing. Hearing. It's an index finger moving out from your mouth. Hearing people talk a lot. Hearing. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. It's H for the abbreviation. Hard of hearing. Work. Work. This sign can also be for labor or employment. Work. School. School. I like to think of clapping hands, getting the class's attention. School. Learn. Learn. Here's the information and you're putting it in your brain. Learn. Student. Student. It's a learn person. Student. ASL, American Sign Language. You just fingerspell ASL. ASL. Now that you've learned some signs to describe yourself, let's put some of those signs into phrases. Yes, I'm hearing. Yes, me hearing. I was born in Waco. Me, born, Waco. Where did you grow up? You grow up where? How many children do you have? Children have how many? No, I don't have any brothers. No, brother have none. Nice job. The more you practice sharing about yourself in ASL, the easier it gets and the more confident you'll feel starting conversations. These are signs you'll come back to again and again, so keep practicing. If you want to dive even deeper into ASL, click the link in the description to sign up for a 10-day ASL Jumpstart newsletter. You'll get an email every day for 10 days on how to jumpstart your ASL journey. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.